Greetings everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a quick and easy tutorial on how to pin a post on your Facebook account. If you're someone who regularly uses Facebook, you know how important it is to keep your profile updated and organized. Pinning a post is an excellent way to highlight your most important or relevant content, ensuring that it's easily visible to anyone who visits your profile. To get started, simply log into your Facebook account and navigate to your profile icon. Once you've clicked on it, scroll down until you find the post you want to pin. This could be a post you've created yourself, or a post that someone else has shared to your profile. Once you've found the post, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the post. This will open a drop-down menu with a few different options. Look for the Pin Post option and click on it. You will then see a notification confirming that the post has been pinned to the top of your profile. And that's it. It really is that simple to pin a post on Facebook. Whether you're promoting a new product or service, sharing a meaningful message, or simply want to highlight some of your best content, pinning a post is an excellent way to ensure that it's always front and center on your profile. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.